Today I am railgunning here, and I just checked the map. I'm gonna check the map. There's a train leaving. There's a few cars. Looks like it's a full train today, and looks like there's also some locomotives here as well. Like it looks like a GE and a looks maybe Union Pacific or maybe a one of them. I don't know, but yeah, the train is now leaving. And I don't know what the engine is. There's a 3400 though. It looks like they're gonna. Turn, here. Oh yeah, it's too foggy. I think they might slow down here in a little bit, so they can they'll derail. Oh hello, people. So I know they're gonna slow down here because I know they have to, because once they go up this corner, they gotta slow down for the crossing. They may stop due to a. They also have to wait for the people that cross all the time around this time. So it's coming nighttime. So coming. The Dash 8. My drone to fly because I want to look at the bridge, see if I can get some cool shots of the bridge. But yeah, I'm trying to get a little close. See, I told you, people walking because they don't give a crap. It's a bridge. I know it's a bridge. That is. Look at you. I get there in time. Man, I haven't really seen. I never knew we got a Dash 8. I know we're getting a Dash 9, but I didn't know we were going to get a Dash 8. Hey. You know, I'm thinking about so. Okay, we just stopped up here. I'm gonna put my drone down and switch to the other camera. Alright guys, so I'm at the other camera now, so walk up this hill. Okay. Let's see if I can. I do not endorse trespassing, guys. I don't see the train. I'm just gonna quick walk over here. Alright, good angle.
Welcome to Funny Emoji Maker, the innovative app that revolutionizes the way you communicate in the digital world. Designed for creativity enthusiasts and anyone who loves adding a personal touch.
Yeah. Sweet, bro. Yeah, where you going? Oh, you want to soda? Oh, you just came from Rapid, so you're going to Buffalo's? Yeah, I'm just whale watching, just whale cannon. You don't mind if can I do it, please? Wait, really? Thanks. Alright, so I'm just gonna. Can you blow the horn? Thanks. Hey, Jeremy, you want to do that? So is this the new dash we're getting? Yeah, alright, see you later. Wow. Hey, 99. Wow, we got a third class shot. Hey, some logs. I'm thinking they came from Hill City, but could be. It does. I mean, RCPE does run through Hill City, but I think the Hill City Black Hill Railroad. I think it's narrow gauge, and this is standard gauge. They make normal size narrow gauge diesels, but yeah, there it goes, guys. Wow. Oh shoot, great lash up. Never seen that. Wow. And a dash 8. So I thought we were just getting dash 9. Now we're getting dash 8 too. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out, guys. Thank you.